I can't tell you how often I used to think, man, if Facebook would just show my posts to more people, I'd be so successful. And while we are somewhat at the mercy of the social media algorithms, in terms of how often our posts are going to get seen, there are some things that are in your control to get more visibility on social media. First, you have to post quality content that people want to see. Now, I know that sounds obvious, but take a second, look at your last few posts, or look at some posts you have scheduled coming up, and think, would my ideal customer or client want to see this in their feed among updates from their friends and family? Remember, people don't open social media apps to catch up with businesses in general, okay? So you've really got to focus on quality, engaging content. It's quality over quantity, because if your audience stops engaging, the algorithm will just automatically stop showing those people your posts in their feed pretty much ever. Second, your posts need engagement to reach more people. Doesn't matter what social network you're talking about, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, all of them. They don't know when you put up a post that you've written something poetic and maybe it in rhymes, or that you've shot a beautiful video or taken a beautiful photograph. They don't know, okay? This is just computer code on the back end. But they do know when people engage, when people click on it, when people watch a video, comment, like, love, share, all of those things. So those are all signals to the social media algorithms that, oh, this is good content. And when they consider it good content, they will show it to more people. If you are struggling with engagement, there is another section in this quick fix guide to help you get started with fixing that. Third, you may not be reaching people because you don't have much of an audience to begin with. This makes it especially hard to reach people on platforms like Facebook business pages, where the average organic or free reach is 1%. That means you could have 500 followers on your Facebook business page that you worked hard to get, and the average post would be shown to about 5 people. In some senses, it hardly seems worth it. Now, the way around that, of course, is to spend some money and boost your posts. But before you run out spending a bunch of money, keep in mind that boosting your posts only gets your posts in front of more people. It's not magic. So if you are reaching 50 people and nobody's buying, spending money to reach 500 or 5,000 people is unlikely to fix that. If you want to learn more about how to reach people on social media, make sure to check out 5 Minute Social Academy. I am on a mission to simplify social media for business owners worldwide, so I've priced this to be affordable for any small business. Click the link and check it out now.